If you know who your ideal client is, it makes it a lot easier to know how you can market to them and appeal to them. In this section, we're going to cover getting to know your luxury bride. I want you to spend some time answering these questions to start getting you thinking more about your luxury bride. We're going to focus on the bride here, but you can equally focus on the groom if you'd like. So, questions I want you to ask yourself: what brands does she like? Think clothes, shoes, perfumes. Does she have a favourite designer? Where does she like to go on holiday? What does she do in her spare time? Does she have a favourite magazine or a favourite blog? What does her lifestyle look like? Is she a very busy person? These answers will help feed into your portfolio creation, marketing plan, and the overall experience that you're offering. So it's important that you take some time to answer these. When you know more about who you're aiming to attract, it makes marketing a whole lot easier. Your message is clearer, you know what images to share, information about your business that is more valuable for you to communicate, and where you need to be seen. So for example, for us and our business, Instagram has been highly instrumental in getting us in front of our ideal luxury bride. And by showing her more of what she aligns her life and lifestyle with, we have had the chance to connect with her.